Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. Today we are going to see keywords in Python. So first we will see what is meant by keywords. In general, keywords are the special words in that programming language which meaning is already defined. Means they have already some inbuilt meaning. So those are the keywords in that programming language. In Python you can't use keywords as an identifier. We will see how to see all the keywords in Python. And for example, if I have given here if is equal to 1, so this is invalid because if is one keyword in Python, right? So we will see this how to access keywords, all keywords in Python. Now we will check all keywords in Python. So for that, inbuilt module is there, keyword module, and using that module we can see all keywords in Python. So first we need to import that module, keyword. The name of that module is keyword. So this is inbuilt, means that comes with Python installation. And in this module we have one attribute kwlist. Using that attribute you can get all keywords in Python. So keyword. So module concept we are going to see in coming session. So we are just checking here keywords, print keywords. And I will run this code now. So now it is returning one list and these are the keywords in Python, right? And we know that we can't use these keywords as an identifier. So now I want to calculate how many keywords are there. So I want count. So just I will find length of this list, kw words. So if I run this, I got here count as 35. Means total currently in Python there are 35 keywords. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.